Put them all on actually at the same time, and we can see firstly how far they all throw. So we've got the 36 on the left, in the middle that's the Fenix, and on the right here I have got the Nextorch TA30 Max. Whoa, this entire park is just this whole oval is just lit up. Okay, look, at the moment, in terms of throw, the winner is the P23i, okay, and the Nextorch TA30C Max and the PD36R Pro are producing, I mean, similar performance in terms of throw, okay, but that P23i in the center is yep, it is really holding up here. Okay, and the 36 has started to ramp down. P23i is still going strong, and the TA30C Max also going strong. Okay, let's turn these all off for a moment, and let's try them out on high mode, and I will get my 36 and let's put this on. Let's put this on the high mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just high, and here we've got the Nitecore as well. Okay, so here I've got the Fenix PD36R Pro and the Nitecore P23i, both on high mode, and comparing them, the Nitecore has a more intense hotspot. It's definitely more defined as well. You can see it up close, but in terms of overall output and throw, I would say on the high mode, the PD36 is producing more light, overall more light, as you can see. Just here, PD36R Pro, and that's the Nitecore P23i. Okay. Throw-wise, quite comparable. If anything, maybe the Nitecore is throwing a little bit further, but it's not something that's too obvious. Okay. Not too obvious. Like I said, there's a larger hotspot, slightly larger hotspot with the P36R Pro, even though they both have the same emitter, and they're slightly different designs with the reflectors, okay, but they both seem to be holding up very well, as you can see in this long-term ongoing sustained performance. It's been a few minutes now. Okay, just trying to see if there's any significant changes, but not really. I think I'd have to run it for a bit longer. Okay, but great performance, both of them on high mode. You know, back onto turbo again, and you can see, you know, Nitecore is producing a little extra throw. See, that's the Nitecore. This is the 36R Pro. Okay, you can see just the pattern of the bezel here on the below. Okay. Just brought in the Nextorch TA30 Max here on the right, and that's on the medium mode. Okay, there's only 3 modes on the Nextorch, and this is probably the closest one I could compare it to. And it's producing, yeah, similar. I would say it's got pretty similar output. that's the Nextorch TA30C Max PD36. It's producing a little bit less output on the high on the medium mode than the high mode on the PD36. Okay, you can already just sort of see on the ground the comparison between the hot spots. You know, the Nextorch has the least throw out of all of them, but produces, I think, a really nice diffused beam. Probably one of the most practical beams. You don't need really far long range performance. Okay, I mean, even this is on. Let's put it back on to hot. You know, that's the highest mode with the Nextorch. Still keeps up with the rest of them anyway. Okay.